Yo, what's up you guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I am going to go over my results from the ad set I created in last week's video, spending $2.86 on an Instagram story ad that I crafted. Let's check it out. So I spent $2.86 targeted against only business owners who lived in the Los Angeles area. With that $2.86, it was exposed to 649 people, 657 people. It's including a little bit more because I also shared it to my audience. So by using Instagram stories in just 24 hours with less than $3, I got Jose exposed to almost 700 qualified potential clients, and 5 of them, or 5 to 7 of them, clicked over. That's like what, 10% or 1%? Either way, it's really good numbers. I hope that gives you a little bit of information. What that tells me, because a couple people clicked over, is that they may have just been curious because of my name and because of, it has nothing to do with Jose's cleaning service. But I'm happy with the results. Let me know what you think of it, what you think of those results. Those are great returns. I mean, I'm guessing when you get booked to do a carpet cleaning or disinfecting, you're running like $500 to $1,500 depending on the size of the place, maybe more, maybe less. I don't know, but just to spend a couple bucks to get those clicks over is really good. So I'm glad to share this information with you. Make sure you're utilizing Facebook story ads. I know that I am. They are one of the best places to run ads, in my opinion, in my experience on social media. Not a lot of people run ads on there, and not a lot of people run them well. Make sure your content's looking good. Your ad set is just going to complement that. If you have bad content, it doesn't matter how good your marketing is, you're gonna get bad feedback, but the content's gotta be good. Roman Gonzalez, appreciate you for tuning in. Hope you got some valuable information. Hit that like button, help me out, give me some clout, you know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding. I just wanna help people, man. I wanna help some more people, and I wanna help myself. Let's grow together. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Peace.